Your second option for a U2 seal is the double mechanical seal with flush. Shaft O-ring, one O-ring groove on the shaft. We'll install with lubricant. Install your rotating seal. 2 flats on the backside of the seal should align with the 2 flats on the shaft. Align and install. Rotate the seal back and forth, make sure you're seated. Inside your body, you have your inner seal with 1 O-ring groove. Install the O-ring with lubricant. Install your wave spring. Install into the body. Check for spring movement. You have an outer seal as well. 1 O-ring groove. Install your O-ring with lubricant. 1 wave spring. Install in the body. Install the seal. Check for spring movement. Install the body onto the gear case. Once your body's installed, tighten your body retaining bolts. And this concludes the double mechanical seal configuration on a U2 PD pump. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thank you for watching.